Hi, welcome back to the PC Error Detective channel. In this video, I will show you how to restart Printer Spooler in Windows 11 and explain how this simple process can fix common printing problems. Step 1. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you can access system tools and settings needed to manage Windows services. Step 2. Type services in the search box. This helps you quickly find the Windows Services Manager, which controls background services like the Printer Spooler. Step 3. Click on Services from the search results. This will open a new window showing all the services running on your Windows 11 system. Step 4. Click anywhere inside the Services window to make it active. This step is important so your keyboard and mouse actions work properly in this window. Step 5. Press the P key on your keyboard or scroll down the list to find Print Spooler. The Print Spooler service manages print jobs and keeps your printer working correctly. Step 6. Right-click on Print Spooler to open its Options menu. This menu allows you to control how the service runs on your computer. Step 7. Click Restart to refresh the Print Spooler service. Restarting it clears stuck print jobs and often fixes printing issues immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tutorials.